Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video and from the title of this video, I am going to share with you what's inside my quarantine bag. So right now I just got home from a very quick errand and I just want to quickly film this video for you guys before I take a bath para later I'll just disinfect my bag and just be fresh. Hence my messy face and my messy hair and messy everything. So yeah, if you want to know the things that I bring with me during this new normal, then just please keep on watching. This is my quarantine bag. So it's very small because the thing with me is I don't usually go for big bags kasi I'm very petite. So feeling ko kapag malaki yung bag ko,
parang kinakain ako ng bag.
So yeah, usually lahat talaga ng bags ko it's very small. Yung tipong wala na akong malalagay. But anyway, this bag, it's very spacious. Very open lang siya sa loob. And let's start. So the first thing that you'll see is here is my alcohol holder. So this one is from Beisik on Instagram. Everything na I can link, I will put down on this description box if ever lang na you want to like purchase. But yeah, this one is a alcohol holder from Beisik. It has my name on it and it's color nude as well or beige or whatever.
Because I'm a basic bitch.
But yeah, it's from Beisik. So yeah, it has my name on it, CELINE. So that's what I usually use, CELINE or CELINE. But yeah, mag-alcohol muna ako. So yan, gusto ko na nakasabit lang siya sa bag ko para whenever I have to sanitize my hands, then hindi ko na i-open yung bag ko and touch the zipper and touch other things inside my bag. Kasi nga, it's here lang, nakasabit lang. So, very accessible and it's much safer for me and basta yun. So, ayan. So, as you can see guys, very open lang yung bag na to. Like, kahit ilagay nyo lang yung, tapon nyo lang inside yung things nyo. Kasi nga, very spacious and wala masyadong arte inside, wala masyadong pocket except for one here, like the zip pocket, but I don't usually put anything inside pa kasi nga ayoko nang mag-open. But yeah, so I'll randomly get things na lang inside. So the first thing that I bring with me is of course my medicine box or my pill box kasi your girl is always sakitin, like masakit yung ulo, masakit yung kung ano man yung masakit. Okay, so, but anyway, ayun nga. So, of course, I have here like the essentials like Biogesic, Imodium, antihistamine because I get allergic reactions from very oily food and yun yung mga gusto ko. So, I need that. And then, Maalox for acid reflux, Neozep for sipon, ano pa ba? Buscopan Venus for my dysmenorrhea kasi grabe guys, dysmenorrhea kills me every time, so I really need Buscopan Venus with me. And then omeprazole if super lala ng acid reflux ko or like pag sinisik muna talaga ako. But yeah, I need this with me all the time. And then I have here of course another essential, my tissue, pocket tissue from Watsons. This one, it's from Watsons. You can buy this for a pack of I think 10 pieces or 12 pieces. And then another one is Sanicare. So this one is the mini wipes. You can also buy this a pack of 6 I think or 9. I'm not sure, basta nakapack siya ganyan. So this one has 8 sheets inside and I usually use this for like tables or things that I'll touch kasi iba yung ginagamit ko na wipes with my face or my body. And then, ayun, this one is the wipes that I use for my hands and my body. This one is from Lysol. So, ayan, super small lang nito. Super small lang. So, kasya to sa kahit anong klaseng bag. Especially the bag that I bring with me. Kasi nga, small lang naman. So, this one has 10 sheets inside. And, yep. Of course, my wallet. Hindi tayo makalabas ng walang wallet. But yeah, I just have here my card and then my ID and then some cards from Watson's because I always go there, and then video stuff for SM, and then ano pa ba? Oops, yung ID ko. Oh, Starbucks collection, sticker collection, but I don't usually collect na cause may planner naman na ako. And wala din naman akong plano sa buhay. But, I mean, like, iba naman na yung plano ko sa buhay. But anyway, I have here cash. So, 1,100 na lang. Akala ko nga wala eh. But thankfully, I still have cash with me. And credit card. So, yun. And some receipts inside. So, that's what's inside my wallet. Nothing important. Nothing important. I also have my driver's license here. So, I have my ID and my driver's license here. All the essentials are in here. And another thing is, I always have to bring this. Kahit wala akong bag, this one will save me. Kasi every time I go, like sa supermarket or sa mall, they ask me kung ilang taon na ako. And grabe, hindi ko alam. Mukha ba akong underage? But yeah, I need my IDs all the time. And then next one here is mints. Because lagi nga akong nahihilo. So, the thing with me is, ayoko ng candy na sweet kapag masakit yung ulo ko. Kasi lalo lang sumasakit yung ulo ko. So, I go for mints. And this one is from Excel. And then, of course, AirPods. And may case lang siya na cute. Ayan, kita nyo ba? But, yeah, just in case na gusto ko lang mag-emote sa car. Ayan. Of course, another essential. This one is from Vicks inhaler. So what I do is, before I wear mask, I usually inhale para mas nakakahinga ako. So yeah, tinanggal ko lang yung packaging here, or like yung label, kasi nga 'di ba blue yun. So
Beisik na.
arte. So tinanggal ko para lang mukhang white. But anyway, another one that I always bring with me is lip balm or lip cream. So this one is from DHC. This is a Rai Velasco made me buy it. At first, I was very skeptical kasi nga, ang dami ko nang na-try na lip balm kasi very chappy and very dry talaga yung lips ko kahit na I always drink water or put something. But yeah, this one really works for me. Especially if naka-mask tayo. Usually nakukulob kasi yung area here and yung moist na feeling ko mas lalong nagde-dry yung lips. So yeah, I always put this on before I put on my mask. And then, this one is my lipstick. So, hindi talaga ako nagdadala ng makeup with me kasi hindi ako nagme-makeup kapag lumalabas. Kasi nga, naka-mask. So, nagmo-moist and mas lalo akong nagko-oil up since oily na nga yung skin ko. But, I think nasa bag ko siya kasi sa car ako naglagay ng lipstick. And this one is mask proof. So, para hindi lang ako magmukhang pale, I need lip tint or lipsticks like this from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Ink. So, yeah. And this one is from Maybelline in the shade Seductress number 65. So, MLBB lang. Ayan, may pimples tayo. Whatever. Okay. Another Tita Essential is this one from Tiger Balm. It's their white ointment for headaches kasi nga lagi akong nahihilo. Kaya kailangan ko ng mga ganito. So, amoy-amoy lang tayo or like put here. But, yeah, I always bring this with me. And then, of course, my power bank. This one is from Xiaomi. 10,000 mAh. So, this one usually charges my phone for like 2 to 3 times na full charge. So, yeah. And then, of course, another one is this one from Beisik as well. So, matchy siya with my, with my alcohol holder, guys. So, everything na in-order ko with Beisik, beige yung kulay because I'm so basic and minimal. And also it has my name on it. So this one is a cord organizer, and I also ordered from them the desk mat, which I really love and I enjoy using. Sobrang ganda. And also like a trinket box where I put my cords or like accessories, and basta lahat in order ko. But anyway, this is not sponsored. What I love about them is when you order from them, especially if you're ordering for gifts for loved ones, you don't have to worry na about the packaging. Kasi, guys, like, this is their usual packaging. And it's very presentable and very minimalistic and very aesthetically pleasing. So, kapag binigay nyo sila as gifts, then ma-appreciate talaga anyone. So, yeah, it just has their logo here. And then, siguro lagyan nyo na lang ng cards inside like what I did. So, these are my gifts for my friends. So, yun. Link down below. This is not sponsored. But, yeah. Next item is like a perfume. Small perfume lang, just in case para, diba, pag nagsamgyup, di amoy usok, spray lang. But, yeah, this one is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt Jo Malone inspired. So, this is a Tony Sia made me buy it. And, tinry ko lang siya before I buy one from Jo Malone. So, I really love the smell. It's just clean and hindi siya super tapang, which I like because I hate floral scents or like yung super matatapang na scents dahil nga sumasakit agad yung mga ulo ko, kaya lagi ako may mga panlaban natin sa sakit ng ulo. Mga panlaban. Okay, so the last two things here with me is yung pinaka-important na natatakot akong maubusan or malimutan kasi nga ang tagal kong mag-ayos. So, malilate ako. So, magmamadali ako. So, may maiiwan ako. So, I make sure na meron akong dalang extra mask and like extra filler for the mask. So, this one is from Clean ata. Ililink ko na lang below. But, yeah, you'll just put here sa disposable mask. Here sa white side. Yun yung ito yung nakadikit sa face mo. Para you can reuse this ng mas matagal. So, this one yung itatapon nyo after going out. But, yeah. Sa car, meron din namang extras. But, I really make sure na may extra ako. Para rin kapag may mga kasama ko na walang dala. Girl, you need a mask. But, yeah, this one is just a freebie from Watsons. So, yun yung dala ko. And, that's it. Wala nang laman yung bag ko. So, as I've said kanina, wala akong nilalagay dito sa pocket. But, yeah, very open lang siya and spacious and very luma na din and madumi. Kaya ito yung ginagamit ko. But, if you've watched my previous vlog, if you haven't, I will leave a card here so you can check it out later. The bag that I used there is this one. So, ayan, dito ko lang sinasabit yung alcohol holder. So, yeah, this one, I got this from Shopee for like less than 200 pesos. I'm not sure if 179 or 150. And it's white. And yung tela niya is, hindi ko alam kung ano, but pag nabasa, hindi mababasa yung inside. Yun yung explanation na kaya kong gawin. But yeah, small lang to. And meron pang girl thing, panty liner, but a girl needs it. But yeah, this one I love because it's white. You can pair it with any outfit or like kung anong any color. But yeah, napapansin nyo naman guys yung color palette ko, diba? I'm more into the lighter basic colors. So yeah, and also I bring with me is my jug. So this one is from Cool and it is 32 ounce and it's white and beautiful and perfect, and it keeps your drink cold for 24 hours and warm for like 12 hours ata. But yeah, this one is a Ray. Her mom made me buy it and it's very sulit and great investment. So, yeah, yun lang naman yung dinadala ko, I think. And I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's grow this family together, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye guys!